right, thanks. The first thing that I do is I attend to the birds, which we have turkeys, chicks, and chickens. I make sure that they have fresh water and fresh food, and they're always pretty eager and excited to get eating. After that, I top off everyone's water, so that's the dogs, the goats, and the cows. And then I head out here and I start picking up all the manure. We gather it into the wheelbarrow and we take it out to our manure collection area. And then after that, I spend some time raking up the hay that's been spilled over. We feed our animals 100% alfalfa hay, and they love it. But it does get messy, particularly with the goats, because they like to trot around on the top. So every day, twice a day, we come out and we clean up their pen, and we just check on them, check all the water, foods, things like that. So just getting started with the cow section now.
Okay.
Hadley, is there something that you want to talk about with the animals? Go ahead and talk about it.
I like by the animals because I like Rose. I like painting Rose.
Okay, and who's Rose?
Rose is the big cow who's pregnant.
Okay, walk around and come find her so you can show. Okay, this is Rose over here. Pick up the camera, honey. Point it at something, not the floor.
And this is Rose right here. And this is Mom's scoop and poop.
Point it at me. I don't always bring the baby out. In fact, rarely have I, just because it's been so cold. But today, it's like 50 degrees, and I thought, move your hand. Move your hand, Hadley. Move the other hand. And I thought she'd like some fresh air. So, she's kind of looking around like, this is what you do all morning? Isn't it nice that Hopi gets to come out and have some fresh air?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
As you walk, I'm turning.
Thanks. So, the manure is actually easier to pick up when it's frozen. So, actually, this particular chore is easier in winter. The only really difficult thing in winter is just that this particular area gathers a lot of ice and snow. Actually, everywhere gathers a lot of ice and snow. But that's okay, because we just walk carefully and keep doing it. Come show Sarah on this side, Hadley. So this is, turn your hand. That hand, you keep covering the camera. You need to make sure you keep it on the side. So this is Sarah. This is our Jersey's baby, her calf. She's actually half Angus, half Jersey. And she's an awesome cow. We've had a lot of fun with her. She's brought forth some new challenges, which has been interesting, and it's a good learning experience. But this is sort of what we're trying to avoid. We don't want the animals bedding down on their fresh hay. So I'm going to have to get her to move so I can scoop up that hay and put it back on.
Okay.
She's welcome to lay on straw and, you know, some of the older hay, but not the fresh stuff. Pick up the camera.
It's hard for me to pick up the camera. Hey, Sarah. How you doing? Doing good? With that poop.
What do you think?
I'm talking about all that pile.
Yeah.
What are you doing, Rose? Doing good? We're 7. And this is... And this is 7 right here. Her butt got hurt, so I hope it heals.